Hello South Africa. Egoli Gas responds to explosion on gas line in Joburg CBD. Egoli Gas has cleared the air about the gas explosion that occurred earlier Tuesday, September 5 in the Joburg CBD. It is reported that an explosion occurred when maintenance staff were busy working on the infrastructure in Braamfontein and 5 people were injured as a result. Egoli Gas would like to inform the public of an unfortunate incident that occurred on September 5, 2023 in the late afternoon on the corner of Bertha and Dakota Streets in Braamfontein in the Johannesburg CBD, where there was an isolated fire on one of our gas lines. Egoli Gas has been working closely with the executive team of the city of Johannesburg since the Bree Street explosion in July 2023 to make the city safe. This involves exposing sections of the pipeline and sleeving to ensure integrity of the network. This process of making the city safe is being rolled out in phases, following the exposing in Bree Street in July and possible damage to the Egoli Gas infrastructure due to that incident. Egoli Gas, in conjunction with the executive team of Johannesburg, will put extra measures in place going forward to ensure that an incident like this does not reoccur. A root cause analysis will be concluded and agreement has been reached with the executive team of Johannesburg that JMPD and EMS will be informed of future work to assist with the management of traffic and public movement in areas where work is planned. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.